Hello students, this is the video about the solutions of questions which were assigned to you as homework after lecture number 4. In this, the first question is, read the clues and fill up the blanks given below each of them. Question number 1. Animals which eat other animals. Yes, you got it right. The word is carnivores. Question number 2. Animals which eat only plants and plant products. Certainly, you are right. They are called herbivores. Question number 3. Animals which eat both plants and animals. You made it. They are called omnivores. Based upon the eating habit, the consumers are classified into 3 categories: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. In these questions, the definition or the brief hint was given to us and we were supposed to find the word and write the alphabets in the given blanks. Question number 4. Given below are the names of some animals. Number 1, goat. Number 2, human beings. Number 3, cockroach. Number 4, eagle. Which of the above animals form a pair of omnivores? Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 2 and 3. Option C, 3 and 4. Option D, 2 and 4. To answer this question, we need to pay heed at the eating habits of the organisms stated here. Goat only eat plant or plant products, hence it is a herbivore. Human beings, some of us eat just the plant or plant products and some of us also consume animal products. Hence, it is better to categorize human beings as omnivores. Cockroach. You must have seen cockroaches roaming around at your homes. Yes, they feed on both plant products as well as animal products. Hence, they are also counted as omnivores. Eagle. Eagle eat the flesh of other animals. Hence, it is neither a herbivore nor an omnivore. Eagle is carnivore. According to our question, the pair of omnivores are option number B, human beings and cockroach. Question number 5. Give 2 examples of each. A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. Answer: herbivores, plant-eating animals. Horse, and buffalo. B. Carnivores. Flesh eating animals. Examples: tiger and snake.